How would I start trading in 2026 if I only had $500? If I lost everything today and only had $500, this is exactly what I would do. What to trade, how much to risk, and how I would avoid blowing my account like most beginners do. Now, in my position, I know it's very easy to be making trading videos, seeing your profits that you guys see, because I've been in the game for 8-9 years and I've got capital to deploy, something that you guys do not have, which is why it's difficult for you guys to be a multiple six-figure trader if you only have $500. No matter what everyone says on the internet, this is not a get-rich-quick plan. This is actually how you survive the trading game long-term, long enough to actually become profitable. Now, most people fail at trading not because they're bad, but because they started the complete wrong way. So in this video, I'll be breaking it down step by step, how I would approach trading in 2026, what I would do with the risk and the mindset, which is one of the main important things a lot of people look past, and how to be consistent. So guys, lock in and let's get it. If you're new or trading with a small account, this video might save you. First thing is first, you need to open up a trading account. So when you're day trading, you need to find a platform that has very tight spreads. You need to be FCA regulated, and the spreads have to be tight, because scalping and day trading, you're taking minuscule movements. So the trading platform is the most important platform. Now, the trading platform that I use is Trade Nation. So if you want to use the same platform as me, link is down below. After 8-9 years, that is one of the best platforms that I have chosen to go by. Feel free to do your own due diligence. Feel free to find your own broker, but this is the broker that I am using. Now, step one. This is what I would not do. First, I would not flip $500 into $5,000 to try get rich quick. I would not trade 20 times a day, because this encourages over trading. I know when you first started, you're gonna get excited. The more trades, the more money you make, but that is not the case. That would mean that you're forcing trades that don't actually hit your setup, and you're gonna end up blowing your account. I would also not follow signals. I would perfect the strategy that I know. Easy for me to say now, as I've developed my own scalping strategy. However, following random signals is not the way forward. For example, if you're day trading and scalping, price moves so quick, there's no way that the person that's trading and sending you guys signals will be doing it quick enough for you to execute. Learn the strategy yourself, because that way you can scale. And I would also not jump into a different strategy each week. What I would do is I would find a strategy that works. Ideally, your mentor has a strategy he's been using for 8-9 years and you've seen his success stories. So then you follow that strategy, because it's a proven strategy that you know works. Perfect it and then scale. A lot of beginners make these 4 simple mistakes. And that is actually why trading has got such a bad rep on the internet, because everyone doesn't get to the successful stage. They quit before they win big. If you listen to those steps, you're already halfway there. Step 2 is what I would trade. With only $500, you're not going to be hitting no home runs. You're going to be wanting simplicity and you're going to be wanting control. So don't get excited, because you're not going to be 10xing your money. The strategy that you should be using is boring, simple, and consistent. That's what you need to be growing your account, because to make the big money, you need bigger capital. So you need to be locking in and building those funds. For example, it could take you all week to be building your account, but one misjudgment of the market and you don't know how to use stop losses could wipe out that whole week gain. What you need to do is keep it simple. One market only. Don't scalp crypto with leverage, because swings are too big. Don't do forex, because the way the price movement moves on forex is crazy. You see these forex millionaires, they're BSing, they're lying to you. The market you should be only scalping or day trading is stocks. For example, the Nasdaq or the Germany 40. My mentor scalps the Germany 40, but I have perfected the Nasdaq. So pick your bread and butter, stick to it, lock in on that chart and learn and perfect it, and don't go another direction. Step 2, you need to be trading on the higher time frame. For example, on the hourly, identify your support and resistance level. Simple stuff. Then in the 15-minute candle, you can identify your entry. Wait for the setup to happen and execute it. No need to dive down into the 1 minute, 5 minute time frames for now, because that'll just make it confusing. Now step 3, the most important part. This is where people mess up because they see their green days, they see the trades that they're making, and they get excited. With a $500 account, the most that you can risk per trade is 1%. So $500, you are allowed to lose $5 per trade. A hard stop loss on every trade and a daily loss of a max 2%. You're trying to learn the skill, because I understand in demo accounts you don't have the same psychological factor. So with the $500 account, it's real money. You still have that psychological factor, so you're just trying to stay alive and not blow your account. You're learning what to do. You're taking minimal risk. If you stay consistent, you would have perfected your strategy. Wherever you learn, whether that's through me or other people, make sure they're legitimate. And then you can scale and deposit more money in. Now, personally, step 4 is your daily trading routine. This is a business. We're on the business of taking scalps in the market. Now, my daily trading routine would be different to yours, mainly because of the time zones that we're in. I like to trade the NASDAQ, and the NASDAQ is from the USA. As you can tell through my voice, I am from the UK. That means that the market open is 2:30 p.m. in the UK. So my daily routine is different. I wake up, go to the gym, come back, have lunch, then I sit down at my table and I analyze the charts. So pre-market, I mark my level highs, my level lows, identify my support and resistance. I only trade within the first hour of the market open, because this is where the most volatility happens. So technically speaking, I'm only working 1 hour a day, and I stop trading after I have hit 2 to 3 trades. There's also no revenge trading, so if I've lost a trade, I don't go straight back in and unless I'm full porting. Full porting is different. But if it's my actual money, I'm just sticking to my rules. If I've taken a loss, I don't go straight back in. The best thing to do after you've taken the loss is to turn your laptop off, go out for a walk, and then come back to this charts at a later date to save you psychologically. Another step that I would do if I was to start trading is I would invest in a mentor and a community to keep people locked in. To have someone to hold you accountable for the trades that you are in is very important. So I've also got a free group in that as well. Look down below in the description. I have trading lessons in there. I have 500 traders that are locked in, and it's free for the Discord group. I also have my VIP blueprint as well. That's a paid group. I have the main chat room where I have 20 traders in there that I'm currently teaching. They're showing their profits with the strategy that I'm using, and yeah, we're locked in. So guys, lock in. If you want to join any of those, link is down below, okay? Peace.